Yeah. ॐ कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविताशाखां वन्दे वाल्मीकिकोकिलम् वाल्मीकिर्मुनिसिंहस्य कवितावनचारिणः शृण्वन् रामकथानादं को न याति परां गतिम् यः पिबन् सततं रामचरितामृतसागरम् अतृप्तस्तं मुनिं वन्दे प्राचेतसमकल्मषम् गोष्पदीकृतवाराशिं मशकीकृतराक्षसम् रामायणमहामालारत्नं वन्दे अनिलात्मजम् अञ्जनानन्दनं वीरं जानकीशोकनाशनं कपीशमक्षहन्तारं वन्दे लङ्काभयङ्करम् मनोजवं मारुततुल्यवेगं जितेन्द्रियं बुद्धिमतां वरिष्ठं वातात्मजं वानरयूथमुख्यं श्रीरामदूतं शिरसा नमामि उल्लङ्घ्य सिन्धो सलिलं सलीलं यशोकवह्निं जनकात्मजायाः आदाय तेनैव ददाह लङ्काम् नमामि तं प्राञ्जलिराञ्जनेयम् आञ्जनेयमतिपाटलाननं काञ्चनाद्रिकमनीयविग्रहं पारिजाततरुमूलवासिनं भावयामि पवमाननन्दनं यत्र यत्र रघुनाथकीर्तनं तत्र तत्र कृतमस्तकाञ्जलिं बाष्पवारि परिपूर्णलोचनं मारुतिं नमत राक्षसान्तकम् श्रीराघवं दशरथात्मजमप्रमेयं सीतापतिं रघुकुलान्वयरत्नदीपम् आजानुबाहुम् अरविन्ददलायताक्षं रामं निशाचरविनाशकरं नमामि वैदेही सहितं सुरद्रुमतले हैमे महामण्टपे मध्ये पुष्पकमासने मणिमये वीरासने सुस्थितम् अग्रे वाचयति प्रभञ्जनसुते तत्त्वं मुनिभ्यः परम् व्याख्यान्तं भरतादिभिः परिवृतं रामं भजे श्यामलम् नमोऽस्तु रामाय सलक्ष्मणाय देव्यै च तस्यै जनकात्मजायै नमोऽस्तु रुद्रेन्द्रयमानिलेभ्यो नमोऽस्तु चन्द्रार्कमरुद्गणेभ्यः चरितं रघुनाथस्य शतकोटिप्रविस्तरम् एकैकमक्षरं प्रोक्तं महापातकनाशनं शृण्वन् रामायणं भक्त्या यः पादं पदमेव वा स याति ब्रह्मणस्थानं ब्रह्मणा पूज्यते सदा रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेधसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः सीतायाः पतये नमः हरिः ओम् श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः ओम श्रीमात्रे नमः हरिः ओम् Okay, Hari Om everybody. We are doing Sundarakanda in Ramayana Navaham, 9 days of Sampurna Ramayanam. We finished Balakanda, Ayodhya Kanda, and then Aranya Kanda entered into Sundarakanda. And we already started that Kanda, and we are in the 31st Sarga now. Sundarakanda has 68 sargas, almost halfway. So we have seen how much we have seen. I will just give you the glimpses, so then we will come back to our Sundarakanda and Ramayanam, because our mind goes here and there. Hanumanji, he crossed the ocean. In the ocean, he had 3 obstacles: Mainaka Parvatam, and then Surasa and Simhika. Like when we go do our sadhana, we get obstacles. They are Sattva, Raja, Tamo gunas. Sattva gunam is for Mainaka Parvatam, and Rajo gunam is for Surasa, Tamo gunam is for Simhika. Sattva gunam we need to welcome, treat with gauravam, with respect. Rajo gunam we need to conquer, and Tamo gunam we need to destroy. So significance of that is whole Sundarakanda. Ocean is nothing but samsara samudram. Ocean of samsara. Samsara means birth and death cycle. We need to cross over this birth and death cycle. Then we will see Sita Mata, that Parashakti, Adishakti. That is the essence of this Sundarakanda. So for that we need all the Devatas' blessings. That is why we are praying every day. The Namostu Ramaya Salakshmanaya Devyai Chatasye Janakatmajaya Namostu Rudrendra Yamanilebhyo Namostu Chandrar Kamarudganebhyaha. All of them, Vayu Devata, Varuna Devata, Indra Devata, and then Surya, Chandrama, all of them. We need everybody's blessings. Then we can cross over this ocean of samsara. We get obstacles. So that is what whole Sundarakanda we have seen. And then Hanumanji saw the Lanka, and beautiful Lanka, Amaravati Miva, and description of that, and Chandrodaya Varnana, and Lankini attacking the Lanki, Vrushadamshaka Mastra's son. He became like a small kitten, and Mushtighatam just did to Lankini and entered into Lanka, and looking for Sita Mata everywhere, in Pushpaka Vimanam and Ravana Antahpuram, everywhere, but he could not find Sita Mata. Then he said, there is no point in getting discouraged. Anirvedam. Nirvedam is not good. We have to have Anirvedam. And then there is no point in leaving the life, because suicide is very, very harmful, very dangerous, because the reason is when we leave, one day or other we will see good things. Good thing will happen. So that is what Hanuman decided and proceeded and prayed to all the God, decided to do tapas. That time Hanumanji saw the Ashokavanam, then entered into Ashokavanam. He knew that he is going to see Sita Mata, and then climbed on that Shimshupa Vruksham, and then saw the Sita Mata surrounded by all the Rakshasa Stris, and they are all poking her, kind of not touching, because she is Pativrata, they cannot touch her. They will get bhasmam. They know that they are just using all the words only. Words only, they are doing the himsa. And then that moment Ravana comes, and again he really gives all the words, and Ramadushana, and then Sita Mata says, you are not even fit to talk about Rama. Even Rama comes in front of you, you are going to die. You cannot face Rama, and nobody will protect you. Indra, Varuna, and nobody will protect you. If that's why, give me back to see Rama. Rama is Sharanagata Vatsaludu. He will give you abhayam. He will not kill you. Otherwise, you are going to die. And putting the Gaddi Paraka means blade of grass. Sita Mata really talked about Ramachandra, and then told Ravana that give me back, do the Sharanagati to Rama. Otherwise, you are going to die, and your clan is going to die. All of them going to have Nashanam. So anyway, Ravana is not going to listen, and then told all the ladies just take care of her and tell them how great I am, Ravana, and all that he was telling them. That's what they were all asking. And then Ravana gave 2 months' time to Sita Mata. So all this Hanumanji is watching from the top of the tree, Shimshupa Vruksham. He is very small and watching everything. And that moment, what happened after Ravana left, Sita ji felt very, very down. 10 months have passed. What is going to happen? No one is coming. No devatas are coming to protect me. Nothing is happening. And then there is no point in staying alive. So then what she did is she took her hair, a long hair, a Krishna Veni, long beautiful hair Sita Mata has, and would like she liked to tie that on her head, and then she tries to leave her prana tyagam. Then Hanumanji sees that, he said, I have to give some solution to Sita Mata. That is why I came here. Then 31 Sarga onwards, Hanumanji, Sita Mata and Hanumanji dialogue, beautiful section. See, Hanumanji is great devotee of Rama. Sita Mata is great devotee of Rama. And how well it's going to be their dialogues. They talk about only the Rama Katha. And now this is what up to here we have seen. And now Hanumanji is making the plan. What should I do to console Sita Mata? First, he decided the subject matter. Subject matter is Rama Katha. Then language is very important. Communication skills are very important. Then language, Hanumanji decided to do Maithili language. Means that's what Sita Mata knew. Mithilapuram, the language is different. Dialect is little different. That dialect I am going to use. That way Sita Mata will be consoled very easily. Because childhood memories, right? People get so excited and thrilled. And then third volume, what kind of mrudu madhura swaram and with low volume I have to do. Because otherwise if I do big voice loudly, oh Rama, like that, all the Rakshasa streets are going to be, they were going to wake up. So everything has to done this way. Then Hanumanji did the planning. All this is teaching for us. According to the circumstances, we need to behave. We need to adapt to the situations. We have a rigid mentality or rigid the kind of opinions are not going to take us anywhere. We have to be adaptability and flexibility. Accommodate everybody and everyone. That is what Hanumanji is doing. That is why whole Ramayana is a teaching for all humanity. Every sarga, every shloka, for their upliftment. And now with all this introduction, we will enter into 31 sarga. Then Hanumanji started telling Rama Katha. Raja Dasharatho Nama Radha Kunjaravajiman Punyashilo Mahakirtihi Ikshvakunam Mahayashaha Rajarshina Gunasreshtaha Tapasacharshibih Samaha Chakravarti Kule Jataha Purandara Samobale Ahimsaratirakshudro Gruni Satyaparakramaha Mukhyaschekshvaku Vamshasya लक्ष्मीवान् लक्ष्मीवर्धनः पार्थिवव्यञ्जनैरुक्तः पृथुश्रीः पार्थिवक्षभः पृथिव्यां चतुरन्तायां विसृतः सुखदः सुखी तस्य पुत्रप्रियो ज्येष्ठः ताराधिपविभानना रामो नाम विशेषज्ञः श्रेष्ठः सर्वधनुष्मताम्. And then she started saying, once upon a time there is a king named Dasharatha, and he is very great tapasvi, and he is very great Chakravarti and Raja, and he is filled with ahimsa. And then Lakshmi Varchasu. To that Dasharatha, he has a Jeshta Putra called Rama. And that is what up to that Sita Mata knows. All that he is telling. Rakshita swasya vruttasya swajanasya cha rakshita rakshita jiva lokasya dharmasya cha param tapaha tasya satyabhisandasya वृद्धस्य वचनात् पतिः सभार्यः सह च भ्रात्रा वीरः प्रव्राजितो वनम्. And then that Rama, now description of Rama. Rakshita swasya vruttasya. Raksha is telling he loves to protect everybody. He's really take care of his people. And Nadabadika, the way he really do all the walking, talking and interacting with people, all the Nadabadika is very, very good. And he protects all the dharmas. That is how Ramachandra is. Satyabhisandhasya, Satya Sankalpa, Rama. And then what he did is, Tena tatra maharanye mrugayam paridhavata rakshasani hitaha shura bahavaha kamarupina. And then he killed lot of rakshasas. Samargamanastam devim Ramah Sitamaninditaam Asasadavane mitram Sugrivam namavanaram. Up to here, Sita Mata knows. Killing of Kharadushana in their Janasthanam, all that he is describing. Pitruvakya Paripalanam, Vachanat Pituhu. He went to Pravrajito Vanam, all that he mentioned. He went to Vanavasam and he killed all the Vanaras. And now he's telling Sugrivam Mitram. In that process, Sita Paharanam also he mentioned. Ravana took Sita ji. Tatastva Marsha Pahruta Janaki Ravanenatu. And then Ravana, all this, they are all looking for Sita Mata. Ravana took Sita Mata. Up to that, Sita ji knows. And Ravana sent whole army, and then he made the friendship with Sugriva. And then all the army is looking for Sita. That's what Sita ji does not know. That's what now Hanumanji decided to tell. Samargamanastam devi Ramah Sitamanindita Asasadavane mitram Sugrivam namavanaram Tatasavalinam hatva Ramah purapuranjayaha Prayachat kapirajam Tat Sugrivaya mahabalaha Sugrivenapi sandishta Harayaha kamarupinaha Dikshu sarvasu tam devi vichinvanti sahasrashaha. Rama Lakshmana made the friendship with Sugriva in that Maharanyam, and then he is the Kapiraja, and he killed Vali, and then that Sugriva sent so many Vanaras in all the directions to look for Sita Mata. Means he's consoling Sita Mata. That is why he's telling all the things about Rama, and after Sita Mata left, what happened. So don't worry, Sita Mata. All of them are looking for you, all the direction. Aham sampati vachanat tayo शतयोजनमायतम् अस्या हेतोर्विशालाक्ष्याः सागरं वेगवान् प्लुतः. According to Sampati's instructions, I cross over this 100 yojanas ocean. I cross over 100 ocean, the ocean, 100 miles ocean. I crossed over. Now I am seeing you. Hanumaji is telling Sita Mata. Yadha rupam yadha varnam yadha lakshmavatim chatam asrausham raghavasyaham seyamasadita maya. And whatever Rama explained, yadha rupam yadha varnam, that I am seeing right now. But he did not mention Sita. Whatever Rama mentioned, that kind of murti I am seeing right now. And then he say, listening to all that, and he kept quiet. He did not mention Sita because that is what he is going to ask. Whatever Rama explained, that is what I am seeing right now. And he kept quiet. Nishabdam. Then Sita Mata was thinking in her mind, I am always thinking about Rama. Is that the reason I am listening to this Rama Katha? Or am I dreaming? But I am not sleeping anyway. How could I get the dreams? That is why she is thinking. And then she looked all around. निशम्य सीता वचनं कपेश्च दिशश्च सर्वाः प्रदिशश्च वीक्ष्य स्वयं प्रहर्षं परमं जगामा सर्वात्मना राममनुस्मरन्ति सातिर्यगूर्ध्वं च तथाप्यधस्ता निरीक्षमाणा तमचिन्त्य बुद्धिं ददर्श पिङ्गाधिपतेरमात्यं Vatatmajam Suryamivodayastam. And then she looked everywhere, left and right and top. Then she saw Hanumanji, the Kapihi. And as though he is like Suryamivodayastam, Udaistunna Suryudalaga unna Hanumantunni she saw. And then what happened is, now, so like that, she is thinking in her mind, Rameti Rameti Sadaiva Buddha Buddhya Vichintya Vacha Bruvati Tameva Tasyanurupam Cha Kadham Tadardha Evam Prapashyami Tadha Sunomi. Mahatma says, Yadha Drishtihi Yadha Srushtihi. Whatever your vision, your thinking is, that's what you see. That's what our people say, right? Think good and then what that will happen. So maybe that is why I'm thinking about Rama. Maybe that's what I'm seeing. And then she prays to all the gods. Namostu vachaspataye savajrine swayambhuve chaiva hutashanaaya cha anena tokcham yedidam mamagrato vanaukasataccha tadhastu nanyadha. Whatever this Vanaukasaha means, this Kapi said, may it come be true. It should not be asatyam. May it be satyam. Please bless me, oh all the gods, Bruhaspati, Indra, Varuna, Agni, Vayu, all the devatas, please bless me. This may it be true. That's what she prayed to all the gods. That is why when we pray, we get the solution. That is what praying is for. Whenever praying word prarthana comes, I remember Swami Vivekananda. One time he was praying and all traveling in the train. And then the same train, one businessman was also traveling. That businessman asked Vivekananda, why do you pray all the time? What did you get? You did not get anything. Look at me. I'm a businessman. In the station, a lot of people gave me the great food, all the delicious food. Now I'm enjoying the food. Nobody came to give you food. See what happens. See, why do you pray? Then Vivekananda gave a beautiful example. It's really worthwhile listening. That is the reason we need to pray. Vivekananda said, you are right. I did not get anything. But I lost so many because of praying. Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Moha, Madamatsharyam, Ahankara, Mamakaram, Raga, Dvesham. All of them I lost. Anyway, next station, people come and give delicious food, plenty to Vivekananda. Then the businessman realizes he made a mistake. He becomes a great devotee of Swami Vivekananda. Happy conclusion. That is the reason we need to pray. Take out all the negativities. And for Dharma Paripalana. That's why protection of Dharma. That's why Sita Mata prayed to Devatas. And then Hanumanji really did the namaskaram to Sita Mata, and now beautiful. Who are you? He's asking. Tamabravin Mahateja Hanuman Marutatmajaha Shirasyanjali Madhaya Sitam Madhuraya Gira. Shirasyanjali Madhaya, folding his hands and doing namaskaram, and then talking to Sita Mata. Kanu Padma Palashakshi Klishta Kausheya Vasini Drumasya Shaka Malambya Tishtati Tvamanindite Kimartam Tava Netrabhyam Varisravati Shokajam Pundarika Palashabhyam Viprakirna Mivodakam Suranam Va Naga Gandharva Rakshasam Yakshanam Kinnara Naranam Va Katvam Bhavasi Shobhane Katvam Bhavasi Rudraణam Marutam Va Varanane Vasunam Hi Vararohe Devata Pratibhasime. O Varanane, O Shobhane, O Padmapatra Vishalakshi, and Anindite, because Anavadyangi Lalita Sahasranamam. So who are you? You are Varanane. So who are you? I would like to know. Are you Devakanya? Or Yakshakanya Gandharvastri? Or then Rudrastri belong to Rudragana or Marganas? Or who are you? And I see drop of water in your eyes. Please explain to me who are you? That's what Hanumanji asked. And now Sita Mata tells Ramakatha. See, devotees, no matter how much they listen to Bhagavad Katha, they will never get satisfied. Hanumanji told Ramakatha. Now Sita Mata is telling Ramakatha. That is why Sundarakanda is very, very powerful. If we listen to Sundarakanda, whole Ramakatha comes. Whatever we have heard so far, all the Balakanda, and then Ayodhya Kanda, Aranya Kanda, Kishkindha Kanda, because that's what Hanumanji told already. Everything is covered. That is why this is Bija Kanda. That is why I'm telling you in detail. So many good shlokas. They are all mantras. By God's grace, maybe we'll take up Sundarakanda alone one time, like a Sundarakanda Yajna. 5 days or 7 days, it depends on how Sita Rama Lakshmana blesses us. So that's why it's very, everything is a mantra. So that is why now Sita Mata left her all the then she is explaining all the so Ramakatha. And then here Hanumanji concludes one more thing. Yatha hitaiva vaidainyam rupam chapyati manusham tapasa chanvito veshastvam Rama Mahishi Dhruvam. Looking at you, seeing as a tapasvini, I feel like you are the Rama Mahishi. Is that true, O mother? That's what Hanumanji concludes. Now Sita Mata answers. Satasya vachanam shrutva Rama kirtana harshita Puvacha vakyam vaidehi Hanumantam drumashritam. And Hanumanji is still sitting on the treetop. And all the listening to Rama Kirtana, Sita Mata was very pleased. And now she started telling Ramakatha. Purudhivyam Rajasimhanam Mukhyasya Viditatmanaha Snushar Dasharathasyaham Shatru Sainya Pratapinaha Duhita Janakasyaham Vaidehasya Mahatmanaha Siteti Nama Namnaham Bharya Ramasya Dhimataha Tatastrayodashe Varshe Rajyanyekshvakunandanam Abhishechayitum Raja Sopachayuh Prachakrame Tasmin Sampriyamane tu Raghavasyaabhishechave Kaikeyi Nama Bhartaram Devi Vachanam Abravit. Now all the kandas she is telling now, Sita Mata. And there was once upon a time, now there is a king named Dasharatha. I am the Snusha, means I am the daughter-in-law of Dasharatha Maharaju and the daughter of Janaka Maharaju. Duhita means daughter of Janaka Maharaju. My name is Sita. And then what happened is, we lived very happily for 12 years in Ayodhya. Very happy. And 13th year, Dasharatha Maharaju wanted to make Rama as the king. Pattabhishekam. Dasharatha Maharaju planned. That time, Kaikeyi asked for 2 boons. One is Rama has to go to Vanavasam, and then Bharata should make the king, become the king. Listening to Pitruvakya Palipalana, Rama, Lakshmana, Sita, we came to this Maharanyam. Like that she explains so many shlokas. And then that time Ravana brought me here and kept me here. And this is what happened. And like that, right now, I am here. So this is why Sita Mata gives elaborate description about her and telling Ramakatha. And Hanumanji is listening to all the Ramakatha very happily. And this time, second time, he's doing the Vodarpu. Vodarpu means consoling her. And then he's telling, "Oh mother, don't worry. Rama Sandeshat, as the Duta, I came here, giving the Abhayam to Sita Mata, because Abhaya Anjaneya. Aham Ramasya Sandeshat, Devi Dutastava Vaidehi Kushali Ramastvam cha Kaushalam Abravit. This Kaushalam Abravit comes 3 times. Let us see what happens. Oh Amma, and I came as a Ramaduta. Rama sent me here to find out your Kushalam. How are you? How you are doing? All that he asked me to find out. That is why I came as a Ramaduta. Not only that, Yo Brahmamastram Vedamscha Veda Vidambaraha Satvam Dasharadhi Ramo Devi Kaushalam Abravit. And Rama also told me that when you find Sita Mata, and tell me how she is doing. We want to know Kushalam. Kaushalam means Kushalam. How is she doing? And Rama wanted the answer. That is why I came here as the Ramaduta. And Rama adjectives. He knows Brahmastram and he knows Veda Vidambaraha, all Vedas. That's how Rama is. Oh Sita Mata. That's why Sri Rama is explaining too. Whenever he gets a chance, Hanumanji always remembers Rama. And then Lakshmana also is telling pranamams to you, O Sita Mata. Lakshmanascha Mahateja Bhartustenu Priyaha Krutavan Shoka Santaptaha Shirasate Bhivadanam. And then Satayoho Kushalam Devi Nishamya Narasimhayoho Priti Samhrushta Sarvagni Hanumattam Adha Bravit. And then Sita Mata was very happy and she got the goosebumps with that. She really very, very happy. And she is saying very, very important words. Even Hanumanji is telling, actually, Hanumanji is telling to Sita Mata, Kalyani Batagadheyam Laukiki Pratibhati me Yeti Jivantamanando Naram Varshashatadapi. Oh Kalyani, there is no point in leaving the life. This is the message for all the humanity. If we live in 100 years in long life, somewhere or other we will see all the auspicious things. Good things are waiting for us. Don't get discouraged, because remember the previous Sita Mata end her life. That is what Sita Mata Hanumanji is guiding her. Value of life. So that is the important shloka in Sundarakanda 34th Sarga. And listening to all that, Sita Mata was very happy. And like that, both of them are really talking and speaking all the Ramakatha. And now Sita Mata was convinced that this Duta Rama sent this Duta. Then they became very close. What happens is, very close means we come near and talk to them. Means a relationship is very strong. Sita Mata convinced that this is Ramaduta, he is Ramaduta. And Hanumanji is also feeling Matru Bhavana. With that, Hanumanji started coming close to her, walking towards to her with Matru Bhavana, to do pranams. That moment, Sita Mata got very scared. She said, Ahodik krutamidam kaditam hi yadasya me Rupantaram upagamya sayevayam hi Ravanaha. She thought You must be Ravana. That is why you are coming close to me. Previously, you came like a sadhu purusha, sannyasi. Now you are coming like a kapi. You must be Ravana. Then Hanumanji felt very, very bad, very, very sad. What did I do? Now again I have to convince Sita Mata that Rama Bhagavan sent me. So that is why now he is trying to console her again. Then he said, "Oh Mata, whatever you are doubting, it is not true." Then, Hanuman, really I'm a Duta of Rama. First level convincing. And that is why I'm telling you Rama Katha again. Ramasya Dutaha. Aham Ramasya Dutaha. And then, Yadi Ramasya Dutaha. Tvamagato Bhadramastute Pruchhamitvam Harishreshta Priya Ramakatham Hime. I'm really Ramaduta, please do not have any doubts. And then he says, Sita Mata says, if you are Ramaduta, if you are very close to Rama, describe Rama gunas. This is the first level of checking whether he is the Ramaduta or not. Sita Mata is asking. Because Ravana, she knows that Ravana cannot describe Ramachandraji. She knows that. And now, Rama Guna Varnana. Adityaiva Tejasvi Lokakantasya Yatha Raja Sarvasya Lokasya Devo Vaishravano Yatha Vikrameno Nascha Yatha Vishnurmahayashaha Satyavadi Madhuravag Devo Vachaspatir Yatha Rupavan Subhaga Sriman Kandarpaiva Murtiman. And then second level also she has describe Rama's Rupam. Not only Rama Gunas, Rama Rupam also you describe. Then I will get convinced. Then Rama Gunas first. He is like a Tejasu, Surya Tejasu. Chandrama, he is Manoharudu, like Chandrama. And Dhanam, Prabhu, he is like Kubera. Parakramam, he is like Vishnu Bhagavan. And he has a great kirti. Oh, that is how my Rama Bhagavan, oh Sita Mata, telling his Gunavan. He is Satyavadi, always speaks truth. Madhuravak like Bruhaspati. And Rupavan, and whole Rupam, he explains with Ajanubahum Arabindadalayataksam Ramam Nishachara Vinashakaram Namami. Like that, so many shlokas. Ajanubahu, and he has 8 feet according to Samudrika Lakshanam, description of all Rama. So much description comes, so many shlokas, so many beautiful sarga. And then he is telling that Sri Rama, Sri Matre Namaha, that Rama asked me to send me here. Lakshmanascha Mahatejaha Sumitranandavardhanaha Abhivadya Mahabahu Satvam Kaushalam Abravit Ramasya cha Sakha Devi Sugrivo Nama Vanaraha Raja Vanara Mukhyanam Satva Kaushalam Abravit. And then all the Rama brother is Lakshmana, and Lakshmana also asked your Kushalam, Kshemam. And then Rama's friend is Sugriva, he also asked your Kushalam. This is how I am always remembering them. I am their servant. I am their Ramaduta. And then slowly Sita Mata got pacified. Swantana Chikindi, Swantana. Next, that moment, Hanumanji tells himself, Aham Sugriva Sachivo Hanuman Namavanaраha Pravishto Nagarim Lankam Langhayitva Mahodadhim Krutva Murthnipadanyasam Ravanasya Duratmanaha Tvam Drashtumupayatoham Samasritya Parakramam. Oh, mother, I am the Sugriva's mantri, minister, and my name is Hanuman. And then I entered into Lanka, and then to really destroy Ravana. Nahamasmi tadha devi yadha mamavagachasi vishanka tyajyatamesha shraddhatsvavadato mama. Oh, our mother, please leave your doubt, Shanka. I am giving you, I am telling you, I am the Ramaduta, my name is Hanuma. Like that, Hanumanji tries to convince Sita Mata. And then Sita Mata is now convinced. She's very happy listening to all that. And then she asked Hanuma how this Sugriva Maitri took place. Because you are keep on saying Sugriva, Sugriva. Because this one is after mother left. So that is why I would like to know. And Rama Lakshmanulaki, Sugrivudiki, how the friendship took place. Kvate Ramena Samsargaha Kadham Janapi Lakshmanam Vanaranam Naranam Cha Kadham Asit Samagamaha Yani Ramasya Lingani Lakshmanasya Cha Vanara Tani Bhuya Samachakshva Namam Shoka Samavishatu. Then I would like to know. Then Hanumanji tells again the whole story. All the Kishkinda Kanda is covered. That is why this Sundara Kanda is Bija Kanda. And then Hanumanji also tells himself how he was born. Malyavanama Vaidehi Giri Namuttamo Girihi Tato Gachati Gokarnam Parvatam Kesari Harihi. There is a very famous mountain Gokarnam. That is why Gokarna Kshetram. And then there is a king named Kesari. He is also Vanara. He is my father. And my mother is Anjana. That is why people call me Anjaneya also. And then I have the name Hanuman also. And there is a long, slowly story. And then that's what he says. Vishwasardham tu Vaidehi Bharturukta Maya Gunaha Achiradraghavo Devi Twamito Naita Naghe. Oh, mother, I am trying to convince you. That is why I gave all the Rama Gunas. Oh, mother, Rama is going to come very, very shortly and then take you from here. So that is what Hanumanji is convincing Sita Mata. Evam Vishwasita Sita Hetu Vishoka Karshita Vupapannair Abhijnanaihi Dutam Tamavagachati. To see you, I came as a Ramaduta. Like that, he's telling. And then not only that, Rama comes like with Prakasham, Rahu Mukta Ivodurat. Like that, he will come here very, very shortly. Oh, mother, as soon as I go, just like that, he will come. He's giving the assurance. So that he's waiting for me. And then he tells again, Vanaroham Mahabhage Duto Ramasya Dhimataha Rama Namankitam Chedam Pashya Devyanguliyakam. This is the 36th Sarga, Rama Mudrika. Rama Namankita Mudrika. Vungaram Ivatam, the ring giving. Hanumanji again tells, I am the Ramaduta, I am the Vanara, O Mahabhaga, O Sita Mata. Now to convince you, I am giving you this Rama Namankita Mudrika to you. Please really believe me. Pratyayardham tavanitam tena dattam mahatmana samashvasasi bhadram te kshina dukkha palahyasi. Then O Rama, Mata, please take this ring. Rama gave this to me to give it to you. So that way he will believe that Rama is alive and I sent by Rama. Rama knows, oh mother. That's what Hanumanji says. And seeing that Rama, that Ungaram, that ring, now let us see Sita's feelings, how she's thinking, and again she remembers Rama. Gruhitva prekshamana sa bhartu karavibhushanam. Karavibhushanam means Ungaram, the ring. Bhartaramiva samprapta Janaki mudita bhavat. She was very, very happy. She felt like as though she saw Rama. Tatasa hrimati bala bhartru sandesha harshita paritushta priyam krutva prashasamsamaha kapim vikrantasvam samarthasvam pranyastvam vanarottama yenedam rakshasapadam tvayaikena pradharshitam. And then she was very, very happy, and then starting praising Hanumanji. Oh Hanuman, now I know you are the Ramaduta. I know you are the only one who can bring this and who can do this big prashasta karyam, mahat karyam. You are only capable, you are the only one. Like that, she praised Hanumanji. And then all this Goshpadi Krutavarashim Mashaki Krutarakshasam, you crossed all over this 100 miles ocean made like a cow feet. Goshpadi Krutavarashim, Go Padam. That's how you crossed. Like that, she's praying, Hanumanji, you are not normal one. Nahitvam prakrutam manye vanaram vanararshabha yasyate nasti santraso ravananapi sambramaha. And then you are not even afraid of Ravana or Ravana Sainyam. I could see in you. You are very, very courageous. So now you are the Kapisreshta, and no wonder Rama sent you here. He saw you, you are the best one among the Kapis, and he saw the Buddhir, Balam, Yasho, Dhairyam, all the 8 qualities Rama has seen. That is why he sent you here. Arhasecha Kapisreshta Maya Samabhibhashitum Yadyapi Preshitastena Ramena Viditatmana. Rama knows that. These are all mantras. That is why I am taking up a lot of shlokas in Sundarakanda. These are all Bijakshara Samanvita shlokas. Listening to shlokas gives the power, especially Hanumanji, right? And Abhayam. And then like that, so many shlokas he praises Hanumanji. And I know you are the best one. And then, so that is why Rama sent you here. Because he always chooses the best one, especially someone coming to me, Sita Mata, then he sends the best one. So Sita Mata fully convinced Hanumanji is the Ramaduta. And then she asks so many questions. She says, why Sri Rama waited this long? Why? How is Sri Rama? First question. Is he eating well? Is he doing the Devakarya? All that she asked, and then why he waited this long to send you? And that's why she asked so many questions. And then with that, Ramachandra, Hanumanji gives beautiful examples, beautiful shlokas. Now let us take up some shlokas. Sitaya vachanam srutva, she heard everything patiently, not interpreting interruption. See, that's what all these shlokas, whole sarga is for whole humanity, for everybody. How to behave, how to talk, how to listen, all this is given here. सीताया वचनं श्रुत्वा मारुतिर्भीमविक्रमः शिरस्यञ्जलिमाधाय वाक्यमुत्तरमब्रवीत्. And then with folded hands doing the namaskaram to Sita Mata, and he was telling, "Oh mother, so far Rama did not know you are here, because Sugriva sent a big army to find you. He did not sit quietly. He was doing Vyuha Rachana. Planning is done. This long it took to find you. Natvamihastam janite Ramah Kamalalochane. And then Kshipram Yeshyati Raghavaha. Now Rama knows that you are here. He will come like this. Now you are going to see Rama. And then he is going to come with the whole army. Oh, Maithili, Kshipram Drakshasi Vaidehi, Ramam Prasravane Girau, Shatakratumivasinam, Nagarajasya Murdhani. And now you are going to see Rama very shortly. As soon as I go back, he will come right away. Now he is preparing platform for mother, because he has to take something to show it to Rama. That is why he is telling, as soon as I go back, Rama will come right away. And Rama is also waiting for your varta, how you are doing. He is also not eating anything. Nityam dhyana paro Ramo, nityam shoka parayanaha, nanya chintayate kinchit, satu kama vasham gataha, anidra satatam Ramaha, suptopi cha narottamaha, siteti madhuram vani, vyaharan pratibudhyate. He is not even eating anything. He is not really sleeping. Always talking about you only, oh mother. Always saying, Ni dhyanam, Sita dhyanam. That's what is Ramachandra Bhagavan is spending his time. And then that time he tells a lot of sargas, I'm going to take you right now. Just sit in on my shoulders. I will take you just like that, cross over and take you to Ramachandra Bhagavan. Sita Mata says, I am Pativrata. I have to wait for my husband Sri Rama. Rama has to take me, not you. And that too, you look so small. You are, because Vrshadamshakamatrasan, no, he's still Sukshma Rupa. Sukshma Rupa Dharisiya hi dikhava. He's still so small. That's why Sita Mata says, I am Pativrata, one thing, I have to wait for my husband. And second reason, you are so small. How can you carry me all these 100 miles? And then Sita Mata like smiles with Matru Bhavana. And then Hanumanji takes it very seriously. Oh, mother, again, you are really smiling and sarcastic. You are underestimating my power. Then again, Virat Rupam, he becomes so big. Again, second time Virat Rupam. Before Sundarakanda and the middle also. And then Vajra Rupo, Vajra Damshro, Vajra Nakho. Namaste Lokanadhaya Sita Shokopaharini. Namaste Deva Devesha. Namaste Rakshasantaka. Namaste Vanaradhisha. Vayunandana. Namastripurti Vapushe. Veda Vedya. Veda Vejayate Namaha. Namaskaram. Now all devatas are watching from Urdhvaloka. He became like a Virat Rupam, Vajra Rupam, Vajra Nakaha, everything very strong. Vajranjaneyudu. We have seen so many Anjaneyas. Harisaparvata Sankashas Tamra Vaktro Mahabalaha Vajradamshtrunako Bhimo Vaidehi Midam Abravit. Seeing that huge Virat Rupam, Mahavira Vikrama Bajarangi, Kumati Nivara Sumati Ke Sangi, Hanuman Chalisa. And then Sita Mata believed him. And then what? So that is why, oh Padmapalatakshi, Padmapatra Visalakshi, don't worry. Whatever you said is true. You are right. You are the Pativrata. Whatever Mangala Devata Stris said, you said. Yukta Rupam Tvaya Devi Bhashitam Shubhadarshane Sadrusham Stri Swabhavasya Sadhvinam Vinayasya Cha Stritvam Natu Samartham Hi Sagaram Yati Vartitum. You are right. You are a Pativrata, you are a Devata Stri. That is why you have to wait for Rama. But now, oh Mata, you need to give me something. Then that I will take it to Sri Rama and show that, and then Rama gets convinced that I saw you. Listening to that, Sita Mata gives, first she tells the Kaka Vruttantam. In 38th Sarga, she said the story. Now we are going to the story. She tells, one time, nobody knows the story. When you tell the story, Rama really strongly believes that you saw me. That is why I am telling you this story. When we are in the forest, Dandakaranyam, one time what happened, we both are sitting really relaxingly and chit-chatting. And that time one crow came. The crow started biting my foot. And I did not say anything, but Rama saw that. Then what happened is that from the Darbhasana, he took one darbha. Darbha means blade of grass. You know that grass, darbha, grass. And he made that as like a Brahmastram. Then that crow became like a Divya Rupam. Oh Sri Rama, forgive me. This is my mistake to do this bad act. I should not have done. And then, please forgive me. But this Brahmastram already started, it should not go away. That is nothing but Indra's son. Indra's son is that crow. So that is why this should not go wasted. That's what Rama says. So Kakasura Vrittantam, this is called Kakasura Vrittantam. That Kaka became a Asura. And then, that's why he came. That is Indra's son. That's why he gets the Shapa Vimochanam now, anyway. So that Brahmastram should not get wasted. That's why I'm going to take out your one eye. That is why our people say crows will have only one eye. So that is why he took out one eye. So that's what happened, but nobody knows except me and Rama. So tell him that Vrittantam, Kaka Vrittantam. And then she gives the whole sarga goes like that. A lot of shlokas, 73 shlokas are there. And then next sarga, 39th sarga, she gives Chudamani. Manin Datva Tata Sita Hanuman Tamadha Bravit Abhijnanam Abhijnatam Etad Ramasya Tatvataha Manintu Društva Ramo Vai Trayanam Samsmarishyati Viro Jananya Mamacha Ragno Dasharathasya Cha. So then she takes that Chudamani and gives to Hanumanji. Tell him the Kaka Vrittantam and give him Chudamani. And that time Rama will remember 3 people, myself and my father and Janaka Maharaja also. She tells Hanumanji, why there is a small story. Because Janaka Maharaja, Menaka did the yajnam. That yajnam, Indra was very pleased, and then whatever that Chudamani, precious jewel, gave it to Janaka Maharaja. And our wedding time, my father, Janaka Maharaja, gave it to Dasharatha Maharaja actually, not to Sri Rama. He gave it to Dasharatha Maharaja. And then Dasharatha Maharaja gave this Chudamani to Rama. And Sri Rama used to decorate this Chudamani every day to me. That is why he will he will remember 3 of them. My father, Janaka Maharaju, Dasharatha Maharaju, and me. So this is why give this Chudamani to Hanuman. And then top of that, she tells Hanumanji, this is Karya Siddhi Mahamantram, 39th Sarga, 4th Shloka. Karya Siddhi Mahamantram. Very famous one. Even in Dallas, our Hanuman temple, this shlokam is written everywhere. Tvamasmin karya niryoge pramanam harisattama Hanuman yatnamasthaya dukkha kshayakaro bhavet tasya chintayato yatno dukkha kshayakaro bhavet. So for Karya Siddhi, you are the only one who can do. You are only one who are capable of doing this. Go back to Lanka, ocean, go back to that mountain, and then tell Rama that I am safe. And now I have the confidence in you. Like this, she tells so many words. Bashpa gadgadaya vacha maithili vakyam abravit. And then tears, Ananda Bashpalu started coming in her eyes, and Maithili was very, very happy. And then she tells, please tell everybody, Kausalya Mata, and then Lakshmana, and then Sugriva also, that I am doing good, I am safe. Kushalam Hanuman Bruyaha Sahitau Rama Lakshmanau Sugrivam cha Samahatmyam Vruddhan Sarvamscha Vanaran, all Vanara Buddhas, great Vanaras. Bruyastvam Vanara Sreshta Kushalam Dharma Sammihitam. Please tell my Kushalam means Andarni Adigananu Cheppu Antam Kada Teluguno. Like that. Please Andarni Adigananu Cheppu Antondi Sita Mata. And then now again, because Sita is a kind of in distress, so that's why he's telling Hanuman, please all this tell Rama and ask him to come fast and come here and take me and do Ravana Vadha. Tell him, do not delay. I have only 1 month to leave. Otherwise, I'm going to offer myself to Yogagni. Srutva tu vachanam tasya Vayusunor Mahatmanaha Buvachatmahitam Vakyam Sita Surasutopama. Sita is like Devata Stri. So that is Surasutopama, beautiful word. That's why Valmiki Maharshi. So that is why now Amma is doing the Ashirvachanam to Hanuma. Oh Hanuma, I'm blessing you. May your path will be Sukhakaram, Mangalakaram. Please, I'm telling you again, tell this to Rama and ask him to come back fast. And then, like that, she tells, and now Hanumanji says, oh mother, please bless me. I will go back to see Ramachandra Bhagavan. Please bless me. Hanumanji asks Sita Mata's blessing. Satasya krutva jagati pater mahan महद्व्यलीकं मनसो महात्मनः युयुत्सुरेको बहुभिर्महाबलैः श्रिया ज्वलं स्तोरणमास्थितः कपिः. So now Hanumanji tells to Sita Mata, but he has another plan to do something else. Sita Mata blessed Hanumanji. Before going to see Rama, he said, I need to do something else. Planning started. I have to give them a jerk, one kick to Lanka and Ravana. Then slowly Vidvamsam. First Pramadavana Dvamsam and then Chaitya Prasada Vidvamsam, Prahasraputrudu, Jambumali Vadha, all the Ravana Vadha, all the Rakshasas Vadhas, slowly taking up. Already Yuddhakanda started. And all the Mantri Putras, 7 of them, Rama killed, Hanuman just killed all of them. Each time he's telling a lot of sargas, 40 to almost 49 sargas and so many shlokas. Jayati balo ramo lakshmanascha mahabalaha raja jayati sugrivo raghavenabhikvalitaha. And like that, dasoham kosalendrasya ramasya klishta karmanaha hanuman shatru sainyanam nihanta marutatmaja. Like that, he's telling, oh, victory to Rama, victory to Lakshmana, victory to Sugriva. Each time he's killing, he's saying these words. And everybody is protected by Sri Rama. I am the Ramaduta. Like that, he's announcing to everybody. So that way, the news goes to Ravana. That is his plan. And then 5 Senapatis, and Akshakumarani Vadha. That is nothing but Akshakumara Vadha, Ravana's another son. One is Indrajittu and another son is Akshakumara. Each one wanted to go. Ravana gets the news. Each time he sends all this army. And Hanumanji destroys them just like that, saying, Jayat Chatibal Oramo Lakshmanascha Mahabalaha Raja Jayati Sugrivo Raghavena Abhipalitaha Dasoham Kosalendrasya. Like that, he tells and destroys all of them. I gave. Finally, Akshakumara says, Ravana's son, I will go and kill. I have lot of powers. I am like a Kalagni, nobody can destroy. I am like a Shiva, blessings are there with me. Like this, he tells. And then finally, when Akshakumara died and Ravana got very, very disturbed. Each time, now Indrajittu, the second son, goes to see. This is all not even Yuddhakanda, only for with Hanumanji, how much destruction Hanumanji is doing. Then Indrajittu goes, did lot of fighting, almost like 4 sargas. And then he said, he thinks, this Hanuma, this Vanara, I cannot kill. He thinks, Indrajittu, he is very, very powerful. Indrajittu, he has a lot of varas, boons, and he is also can disappear. Nobody can see. Meghanadadu, he can disappear instantaneously. Tvamastra vichastra vidam varishtaham surasuranam apisho kadata sureshu sendreshu chadrushta karma pita maharadhana cha sanchitastrasaham tato matim rakshasarajasunuhu chakara tasmin harivira mukhe avadhyatam tasya kapehe samikshya kadham nigacchediti nigrahartham. Indrajittu realized, I cannot kill this Vanara. Now I am going to do Brahmastram. Avadhyayomiti jnatva tamastrenastra tattvavit nijagraha mahabahuhu marutatmajam Indrajit. Only I am going to tie this Vanara with Brahmastram. Out of respect to Brahmastram, as though he tied up, Hanumanji tied up, doing the namaskaram to Brahmastram. Nobody can tie him up. Brahmaji himself gave the varam. Nobody can kill him, nobody can really tie him up. Out of respect to Brahmaji, and then he also want to see more Lanka. And then tell Rama how Lanka is, and then for next Ghattam, he's preparing himself, Lanka Dahanam. He's watching whole Lanka, and then he want to see Ravana also. How Ravana Sainyam, Ravana Parivaram, all that, almost 75% already done. All the planning, everything actually 90% Lanka got destroyed with Hanumanji. And then that's the plan. And then while going, he's watching this house, and making the plan. Seeing Ravana, really great shlokas. That's why I'm taking up. Aho raha aho rupa mahodhairyam, aho sattvam aho jitihi, aho rakshasa rajasya, sarva lakshana yuktata, yadya dharmo na balavan, syadayam rakshaseshvaraha, syadayam suralokasya, sashakrasyapi rakshita. Look at his valor, parakramam, tejas, Ravana, how powerful he is, how tejasvi. Because he also learned Vedas. And Hanumanji is thinking, really two things we need to see. One is Shatru, praising the Shatru is not easy. Normal people praising also very, very difficult for common people like us. What to talk about enemies? And that is one subtlety. And another one is Hanumanji is thinking, if he is dharmam, endowed with dharmam, he could have ruled Indra, Swargalokam. He could have become the Indra. Only adharmam and adharma sahita kamam. That is what he is getting distracted, and destruction is taking place. And that moment, Ravana asked him, who are you? Then again, Sri Rama Katha started by Hanuman. Hanuman never leaves. Whenever time comes, says Rama Katha. Rama Rasayana Tumhare Pasa. That Ramamrutam you have. Rama Kathamrutam you have. In Hanuman Chalisa also. And then he tells whole Rama Katha to Ravana. In the tied up only. दूतोऽहमिति विज्ञेयो राघवस्यामितौजसः श्रूयतं चापि वचनं मम पथ्यमिदं प्रभो. Like this, so many shlokas. I am Ramaduta, and then he tells to Niti, Bodhavakyam to Ravana. My Rama is Sharanagata Vatsaludu. Now do the Sharanagati to Rama. Leave Sita Mata to Sri Rama. Take her back and give it to Sri Rama. Rama will forgive you. And how powerful my Rama is, you know, Vali. Vali, he just killed him with one arrow. He's reminding him the past. And then Karadushana, he killed him just like that. He showed his pratapam. And then he's giving the fear to Ravana. And then in Ravana's army, there are so many people like Garutmantas and Vayuvegam who can come. I am only one of them. They are very, very strong and powerful people are there in Rama's army. So he's putting the fear in Ravana. That is what his purpose is. Not only Duta, as a Duta, he's doing his duty. Because Duta has to think about all the things. And then not only that, Sugriva, who is the Vali's brother, asked your Kushalam, how you are doing all that. And that's what, because a lot of things happened between Ravana and Vali. Even Vali took Ravana in his armpit and went all around the earth. That's why Ravana remembered all those. shivering started on Ravana. Like this, he is telling. And if you go in front of Ravana, Rama, nobody can protect you. Kascha Lakshmana Muktanam Rama Kopanuvartinam Sharanamagratastatum Shakto Devaswareshvapi. And nobody can protect you. This is your last chance. May you better take up this chance. That's what Hanumanji is telling. Last chance you have, last call, right? People, when we go into the flight, they say, like this, for you, this is the last call. And listening to all this, Ravana got ferocious. He said, kill this Duta, kill this Vanara. Then Vibhishana comes, oh Ravana, oh brother, it is not a good idea to kill the Duta. That is, our scriptures would not permit. And do Angavaikalyam, you can hit, lot of options are there. You can do the shaving, take off the hair, and then you can do Virupam, and then you can put some Gurtulu, means some stamps you can do, but do not kill Duta. That is not, that is prohibited according to our Shastras. For the first time, Ravana listened to Vibhishana. He never listens to Vibhishana. Vinashakale, these the thoughts will come. So then, that what happened now, beautiful shloka is there. Nishacharanamadhipo nujasya vibhishanastyotamam vakyamishtam jagraha buddhya suraloka shatruhu mahabalo rakshasa raja mukhyah. He heard the Vibhishana's word. And then what they did is, Hanuman's tail. See, for Vanara's tail is their prestigious symbol. Langulam, Toka in Telugu, and Sanskritam Langulam, tail in English. So then do the fire to that tail. I will use the word Toka. So then that's what the Ravana gave the instructions. And then what all the Rakshasas did, they took this Hanumanji and went into all the Chaurastas and announcing, this is the Gudhachari, he is the spy, he's the Vanara, we are going to put the fire on his tail. Hey, everybody, all the children, adults, women, all of them, come out and see, come out and see. Like that, they were announcing. Then they did that. Then Hanumanji has his own plans. Then what he did is, lot of beautiful shlokas are there. And then he says, okay, go ahead. Innocently, he gave his tail. Then they put the fire on his tail. Then he became very big, started jumping from one house to another house, and then destroyed whole Lanka. Lanka Dahanam took place. And then that moment, one servant goes to Sita Mata and told, you are talking to that monkey, right? That Vanara, and then they really burning that Vanara, and then that Vanara is burning the whole Lanka, that his tail got burned. That's what, he did not say he's burning the Lanka. She just said his tail got burned. They are burning his tail. That's what she said. Then Sita Mata did beautiful prayers. Srutva tad vachanam kruram atma paharonapam vaidehi shoka samtapta hutashanamupagamat mangalabhimukhi tasya satadasanniha mahakapi shito bhava hanumataha शीतो भव हनुमतः मच्चितो हनुमतः. She prayed to Agni Bhagavan, Agni Deva, saying, oh Agni Deva, you have to become Sito Bhava. Do not harm Hanumanji. Hanumanji is doing the Ramakaryam, and then please Shito Bhava, please make him cool down. Do not show your power. And then now there, Hanumanji is thinking, दह्यमाने च लाङ्गूले चिन्तयामास वानरः प्रदीप्तोऽग्निरयं कस्मान् न मां दहति सर्वतः दृश्यते स महाज्वालः करोति न च मेरुजं शिशिरस्येव सङ्घातो लाङ्गूलाग्रे प्रतिष्ठितः my toka is on fire. How come I'm not feeling any fire? I feel very cool, as though the snowball kept it on my tail. That's how I'm feeling. This must be Sita Mata's blessing, and then Ramachandra's blessing, and my father Vayudeva's blessing. That's what it is. Sitayaschandru samsena tejasa raghavasya cha pitischa mama sakhena namam dahati pavakaha. And then this is all their blessings alone. Now Suvarchala Sahita Anjaneya. Suvarchala Sahita Anjaneya. Satanihitvā ranachanda vikramaha samīkshamāna punareva lankām pradīptalangūla krutarchimāli prakāshitādicca ivarchimāli. That everywhere the fire and the whole Lanka is fire. Everywhere he is looking like another Surya, another sun god. That is why Suvarchala Sahita Anjaneya Swami. And then all of them are thinking, is this Vaishnava Tejasu or Rudra Tejasu or Devata Tejasu? Who is this? Who destroyed whole Lanka Dahanam? Kim Vaishnavam va Kapirupamedya Raksho Vinashaya Param Sutejaha Anantam Avyaktam Achintyamekam Swamayaya Sampramata Gatam va. Here now, maybe all this Rudra Tejasu is here. He is not an ordinary Vanara. That's what they are all thinking. And Devas are all very, very happy. They are all watching everything from the Antariksham. Devascha sarve munipungavascha gandharva vidyadharana gayakshaha bhutani sarvani mahanti tatra jagmuhu param priti matulya rupam. Ascharyam adbhutam, that rupam, seeing Hanumanji rupam and Lanka dahanam. Everybody was happy. Yaksha, Gandharva, Kinnera, Kimpurusha, Devata, Rushi, Muni, Ganas. Everybody was happy. Now Lanka Dahana Ghattam, most beautiful Ghattam, we have seen elaborately. And now Hanumanji is thinking, everything Lanka Dahanam took place. Now what happened to Sita Mata? Out of my Krodham, did I rule? How is Sita Mata? Then there are two beautiful shlokas. What happens to if we get kopam, anger? Out of anger, if anger comes, what happens to human beings? How bad is the anger? That's what Hanumanji explains, beautiful shlokas. तस्यासीत्सु महांस्त्रासः कुत्सा चात्मन्यजायता लङ्कां प्रदहता कर्मा किं स्वित् कृतमिदं मया धन्यास्ते पुरुषश्रेष्ठा ये बुद्ध्वा कोपमुत्थितं निरुन्धन्ति महात्मानो दीप्तभग्निमिवाम्भसाम्. So then what happens? Kopam, when we have, they will have lot of shlokas, but he says they will lose everything. Vichakshana jnanam nashistundi. What to do, what not to do. They forget their knowledge. All the tejasu will get lost. Everything they will lose. That's what Hanumanji says. Then he goes to Sita Darshanam. Oh mother, are you safe? Are you okay? Then mother says, what did you do, oh Hanuman? Ravana asked me to just find out how I am doing. But now, how much you did, how much karyam you did, how many actions you have done. And then slowly, again, finally, Hanumanji takes the blessings of Sita Mata and tells, oh mother, Rama Karyam has done, and I have your Anavalu, whatever he gave me, and whatever had to be done has done, and now Rama is going to come immediately, and I'm going back. Then Sita Mata blessed Hanumanji, have a safe trip, blessed trip. And Hanumanji went back to his own, crossed over the ocean and went back to where all the Vanaras are there. All the Vanaras are waiting at the seashore in the other side. Seeing Hanumanji, they were all very, very happy. Angada, Nala, Neela, Jambavan, Gavaksha, all Vanar Sainyam, very, very happy. And then what they did is, Jambavan asked, how did you cross the Lanka and how did you go to Lanka? How did you see Sita Mata? Please tell us, please tell us. We want to listen to all of that. And then Hanumanji describes everything, whatever happened, everything he describes to all the Vanaras. And then all the Vanaras got very, very utsaham. And then actually Vanaras, Angada says, now why don't we go and bring back Sita Mata? Then Hanumanji says, no, this is not our karyam, our action. Rama has to do this. Ravanavadha has to take place only by Rama only. So that is why we will go back to the Rishyamukha Parvatam, where Kishkindha Nagaram, where all the rest of them are there. Sita, Rama, Lakshmana, Sugriva, we will go there. Now this is what our duty, Hanumanji tells to everybody. And all of them are very, very happy with enthusiasm. They started going, and then on the way, they stopped at Madhuvanam. Madhuvanam is Sugriva's favorite, Sugriva's uncle favorite vanam. They have a lot of fruits and precious, so many fruits and all that. And then they destroyed everything, means they did party. Imagine how the Vanaras party will be. You just have to imagine whole Sarga is there. And then Dadimukha was actually went to Sugriva. Listening to that news, Sugriva was very, very happy. That means Rama Karyam has done. The purpose of Hanuman is fulfilled. That is why they are celebrating. Sugriva was very happy. Dadimukha was puzzled. Why he is not saying anything? So then now everybody was happy. Now Hanumanji comes. Hanumanji comes and says, first word, seeing Rama, this is how the communication should be. Drushta deviti Hanumad vadanadam rutopamam akarnyavachanam Ramo harshamapasa Lakshmanaha. Then Drushta deviti, oh Rama, I saw Sita Mata. He did not say, I went to cross over Lanka, I did all that description. He did not give. Why? Rama is waiting anxiously how Sita Mata is doing. That is why first thing he said, Drushta Deviti, I saw Sita Mata. That's what Hanumanji said. That's what Rama wants to hear. Later on, he can give the description. Actually, Sri Rama asked him from all the next of the sargas, how everything, how Sita Mata, there he gives elaborate description. That is what we have to do. First, give them the good news. Everything is good. Then sit down and then gives the details. Always first tell, then give the details. Short and sweet first. Nishchitardham tatastasmin sugrivam pavanatmaje lakshmana pritiman pritim bahumanadavaikshata. Everybody was happy. Everybody was so really relieved. And then Hanumanji gave the Chudamani. Taujata तौ जाताश्वसौ राजपुत्रौ विदित्वा तच्चाभिज्ञानं राघवाय प्रदाय देव्या चाख्यातं सर्वमेवावपूर्व्या वाचा सम्पूर्णं वायुपुत्र शशंस. Then this Hanuman gave the Chudamani, and then this he told the Kak Vrittantam. Both of them Hanumanji told. And seeing that Chudamani, exactly Rama did the same thing. How Sita Mata explained. Sri Rama remembered his father and Mamagaru Janaka and Sita Mata again. Like that, all that now Hanumanji is telling, and then, oh Rama, I consoled Sita Mata that you are going to come. As soon as I go back, you will come here. There is not going to be any delay. I gave the assurance and I gave the vachanam to Sita Mata. And Sita Mata told, I have only 1 month to live. Tell that to Sri Rama. And now Sri Rama says a beautiful word. He says, Sita has 1 month. I do not have even a 1 minute. So that's what we all have to go to Lanka. That's what Sri Rama says. And then saying that to Sugriva, make the arrangements to go to Lanka. And then Hanumanji's final words in Sundarakanda. Last Sarga, 68th Sarga, last 2 shlokas, most beautiful shlokas. Nivruttavana vasamcha tvaya parthimarandimam in abhishiktam ayodhyayam kshipram drakshasi raghavam tato maya vagbhiradinabhashina शिवाभीरिष्टाभिरभिप्रसादिता जगाम शान्तिं मम मैथिलात्मजा तवापि शोकेन तदाभिपीडिता. O Sri Rama, I gave her assurance that you are going to come quickly and very fast. And then I gave the assurance that you are all going to go back to Ayodhya, and Rama Pattabhishekam is going to happen. Like that, I told her, I gave the assurance, and then I did the Vodarpu to Sita Mata. That Pattabhishekam word, with that Sundarakanda concludes. Means everybody is happy, and then all is going to be well, and everybody is going to go, and then Sita Mata is going to be rescued. Ravana Vadha is going to take place. That's how Sundarakanda completes. And now Yuddhakanda starts with very beautiful section. Now I'm going to start the Yuddhakanda. We still have 20 minutes time. I will start with Yuddhakanda. Another one is Yuddhakanda, again 128 sargas, lot of shlokas. So many sargas, so many shlokas. Like I said, Valmiki Maharshi's Ramayanam is very elaborate. It is very mantrapuritam, and all the shlokas are bijaksharas, especially Sundarakanda. Very, very powerful. Pavanaputra, Pavanasuta Hanumaniki Jai. Pavanasuta Hanumaniki Jai. Pavanasuta Hanumaniki Jai. So that is why Sundarakanda people will follow, chant, even if they are distressed, even if they are ill, for arogyam, anarogyam, for arogyam koraku they chant. Sundarakanda, very, very powerful. And now we are entering to Yuddhakanda. We'll see how it starts. Now Rama is very happy. He says beautiful shlokas. Shrutva Hanumato Vakyam यदा वदभिभाषितं रामप्रीतिसमायुक्तो वाक्यमुत्तरमब्रवीत् कृतं हनुमता कार्यं सुमहद्भुवि दुर्लभं मनसापि यदन्येन न शक्यं धरणीतले. Oh, Rama is telling to Hanuman, oh Hanuman, this karyam nobody can do except you. How can I do your runam, pay off your debt? There is no way I can pay off your debt because you have did a inexplicable, unthinkable, unbelievable, unimaginable act, karma you have done. And you gave me the greatest news saying that Sita is well. What else I want in this life? My purpose, life purpose is fulfilled. You made me very, very happy. How can I pay off your debt? See, Pitrurunam I can take doing the all the Shraddha karma. And I did the Pitruvakya Paripalanam, did the Dandakaranyam. All that stayed for 14 years. All that. And I'm going to do Bhartru Dharmam, bring back to Sita. In my whole life, I can never pay back to you. And everybody is very, very happy with this act of you, O Hanuma. And then you are going to be Rama Bhakta Hanuman, Ramaduta Hanuman, Dasa of Ramaduta Hanuman. People will call you like that. You are my great devotee. There might be temples with Sita Rama Lakshmana, with Hanuman. But there will be a temple, there can be a temple without all this. Sita Rama Lakshmana not having, only Hanumanji temple people have in Bhuloka. Because you are that kind of devotee of me. Rama Bhakta Hanumanji ki jai. And only Hanumanji temples people can build. They will have. But without you, Rama will not stay. That is why whenever you see Sita Rama Lakshmana temples, Hanumanji will be there for sure. Small vigraham with folded hands. Whenever Sita Rama Lakshmana are there, you will never see without Hanumanji. Only Sita, only Rama you will see. Any pictures. But without three of them, without Hanumanji, you will not see. So that is how you are very powerful, very great devotee of me. You are Chiranjeeva. And people will remember you all the time. I am blessing you. You are the giver of fearlessness, giver of buddhi, balam, tejasu, and then whatever they want, they will achieve in their life. That is why people do lot of Hanumat Upasana, Hanumat Abhishekam. So much goes on whenever they are in obstacles. You see this everywhere, all over the world. Recently, our Chinmaya mission also did 108 Havans of Hanumanji, performed each center, because they are doing the Bruhat Karyam, doing 75 years of Chinmaya mission. So that's why they are performing all these yajnas, 108 Hanuman Chalisa Havan in each center. Like this, almost more than 1,000 centers are there all over the world. Everywhere they are doing this. That powerful is Hanumanji is because Sri Rama himself blessed Hanumanji. That's what whole Hanuman Chalisa is. So many devotees are there for Hanumanji. That is why Sundara Kanda is very powerful. That's why even Ramachandra is telling just because of Runam, I can never take up the Runam. So that is why Hanumanji, even I will share one incident in our Siddhabari Chinmaya Ashramam. Why Hanumanji is very powerful. Listening to the story will be very actual story. We will be very happy and thrilled, goosebumps will come. In Siddhavari, Swami Chinmayananda, everybody requested to build a Chinmaya mission there. All the people. Request of everybody, Swami Chinmayananda decided to build a Chinmaya ashram there. Then what happened is, it is on the top of the hills. That time nothing was there. This is almost 50 years ago, 60 years, long time ago. So windy, no buildings, nothing were there. So windy, they could not build it, the ashramam. All the architects came there and requested Swamiji, there is no way we can build this temple here. What to do? Then Swami Chinmayananda said, went into meditation and said, install huge Hanumanji Vigraham and do Parayanam of Hanuman. All will be well. Hanumanji's blessings, we have a beautiful center there and then huge Hanuman Vigraham in there. What to talk about here? Everywhere you see beautiful big Hanumanji statues, murtis everywhere. Even in Trinidad, we see Ganapati Ashramam, they do this. Did huge Hanuman Mandir and huge Hanuman Vigraham. We have seen that. And everywhere you see this, all over the world, Hanumat Upasana, including children, youth, adults, middle age, and old people. And everybody prays to Hanumanji. That powerful is Hanumanji is. And even when we were, every corner you will see a small Hanumanji temple just sitting in one corner. Even when we were growing up, we had a small Hanumanji temple right on the road, street itself. Whoever goes on the bus or travelers walking, they used to do pranams, just like that. They may not stop. While going only, they do pranams. Even going by bus, because I grew up there. Every day we used to cross, as soon as we come out of from our house, we see Hanumanji temple. I'm sure many of you have that experience, seeing Hanumanji in every corner, everywhere. Even children would love to have Hanumanji statue. Saying all this, saying all the good words of Hanumanji, Hanumanji said, Sri Rama said, I could do only one thing. I could do Alinganam to you. Rama hugging Hanuman. That is a famous picture. You will see many places. So powerful, so good. It gives us the goosebumps, and we really cherish and enjoy looking at the picture. We feel very blessed and happy. That's how Yuddha Kanda starts. I gave you the introduction, how the Yuddha Kanda starts, all the essence for Sarga 1. I gave you. There are beautiful shlokas, and I'm going to take up the shlokas, but chant the shlokas tomorrow. And then, not with that, now preparation for Ravanavadha, all that is there, we are going to see Yuddha Kanda. I thought I will just start it and give you the glimpses. That is why you will be looking forward for tomorrow's lecture. So now let us see the essence and conclude today's session. Yesterday and today we did the Sundarakanda, most powerful one. It is a Bija Kanda, Mantra Purita Kanda. Each shloka is a mantram, and whole Hanumat Kanda, a whole thing everywhere, from beginning to end, only Hanumanji is there. Main one is Hanumanji. And then he cross over Lanka and then see Sita Mata and gave the assurance, gave the Ungaram to Sita Mata, Rama Namankita Ungaram, that is nothing but Taraka Mantram. And then brought back the Chudamani, gave the assurance to Ramachandra Bhagavan. Hanuma is not only a devotee, he is a guru. Jiva, individual self, is Sita Mata. Rama Bhagavan is nothing but Parabrahma, Paramatma. And then Jiva got united with Parabrahma, Paramatma. Actually, Ravanavadha will take place. We all know that. Now, the unification already happened with Sundarakanda. That is why this is the Bija Kanda. Mentally, it took place. Physical is Yuddhakanda, throwing the arrows and all that. Mentally, they both are united. That is why Hanumanji is the Guru. Not only Bhakta, Abhaya Pradata, he is a Guru also. He united Jivatma to Paramatma. That is why we need Hanumanji's blessings. So with this, I am going to conclude this Sundarakanda today. May Hanumanji bless us all. Veera Hanuman, Suvarchala Sahita Hanuman, Virat Rupam of Hanuman, Bhakta Vatsala Hanuman, Sharanagata Vatsala Hanuman, consoling Hanuman. And like that, we have seen so many varieties of Hanuman. If you think of anything else, please put it on our chat box or in our messages. So many Hanuman forms, Sukshma Rupa Hanuman, and then Vajra, Vrshadamshaka Matra son, my like kitten like Hanuman, so small, and then Lankadahana Hanuman, and then Ravana got very fearful Hanuman. And Brahmastra, doing the prarthana to Brahmastra, that Hanuman we have seen. So many Hanumanjis. That Veera Abhaya Anjaneya Swami ki Jai. Om Sri Matre Namaha, Harihi Om, Sri Gurubhyo Namaha, Harihi Om. Harihi Om, everybody.
Harihi Om, Shyama Garu.
Hari Om.
Hari Om, Shyamala ji.
Very
Very
nice.
nice.
Shyamala ji. Hari